How to affix the garage tag. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to properly affix a garage tag to your garage door. Step 1. Plan the position. Make sure the garage door is clean and there are no items similar to the garage tag that will affect the detection results. Find the best area on the garage door for the tag. A good way to simulate this is to stand where you have your Kamia GarageCam installed and look for an area on the garage door that is high, so it won't be blocked when the car parks inside, and with clear line of sight between you and the tag, which means no cables, boxes or even shadows in between. You may need to turn on the lights in the garage to verify. We do not recommend to use this system if there is glass on your garage door. However, if this is the case, we recommend that you affix the tag on the garage door at least 50 centimeters or 20 inches from the glass. Step 2. Affix the tag. Please use the double-sided tapes in the package and paste them at the four corners of the back side of garage tag. Using other tapes on the front side may cause blockage or reflection that can interfere with garage tag detection. Affix the tag vertically to the planned position on the garage door. We suggest to press each corner of the tag where has double-sided tape on the back for 20 seconds to ensure they stick well to the door. One garage door only needs one tag. If the garage tag is damaged, you can download it from our official website and print it yourself. Feel free to reach out to us for more help. Step 3. Double-check in Kamia app. Once you have your garage tag affixed properly, double-check in the Kamia app to make sure the tag is clear and unobstructed in the live stream.